Did you ever expect na mabibigyan ka pa ng ganitong klaseng proyekto in your entire career as an actor?
Kami at my age, bihira kami nakakatanggap ng ganong role na bagay sa edad mo. Tuwing makakatanggap ako ng pangalan, I always mention yung mga kasama ko. One of the best. Pagka ganun ang mga dating sa'yo ng mga nanood, that's our satisfaction as actors.
Correct.
Yun ang happiness namin,
Yeah.
na na-appreciate nila yung naginawa namin. The worst that an old man will do is not do anything. As long as meron pang isang interesado sa akin, kahit na mait lang role pero may silbi.
Remember, there are no small roles.
Yeah, exactly.
Only small actors,
Yes,
diba?
which is totally true. Dahil may edad na ako, but humihingi ako ng blessings mo because I really want to go into acting. In radio, wala pang TV noon. We never heard of such a thing na TV.
Yes, wala pa.
Not on the radio. But we would perform before a live audience. May microphone, reading a script with a live audience.
From radio, napunta ka sa teatro.
Actor na pang-teatro dahil sa eskwela pala, nag-teatro na ako eh.
Okay. Pagiging singer mo, sabi ko parang na-set aside siya kasi acting talaga ang doon ka talaga nag-excel.
Kasi yung team namin ni Subas after a while nawala because Subas got sick, went to the States. So I had to continue and acting was something that I really love to do. Let's face it, sa business ng show business, madami talagang tentasyon. Pag nasa showbiz ka at medyo nagkaroon ka ng pangalan, hahanapin ka eh. There's no such thing as matanda ka na as long as you can do something and not let the world go by. It will be a big help for you, your own satisfaction. Hi, this is Noel Trinidad inviting you to watch TikTok with Aster Amoyo every Friday at 12 noon. See you!